In this Guru Schools lesson, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the previous video. As we all know that in the prior video, our tag was not triggering. So this time I'm gonna go ahead and complete that particular thing. Why? Because that's really important that it should trigger the particular thing. And why I make that mistake, of course, there is a lesson about this. What we should not go for this one. Because I have made something wrong so that you can learn easily. Right? So, do you want me to repeat something? Or let's complete this one and then I'll let you know what we have done till yet. Okay. And then we'll talk about something else that's called remarketing. So, first of all, what we need to do is, what was my trigger page? Let me take you through with that. Let's go to tags. And this was my conversion tag, right? Let's hit on this. And which was my conversion page? That was my home page. Home page cannot be my conversion tag. Okay. Let's make a different page as per my, let's go to dummy.courseschool.in. Let's get into this. And inside this, let's go to sample page. This is a sample page and let's copy this one and this should gonna be my conversion tag. I want to see like how many people have entertained this page, how many people have visited this page. So if I come back, let's trigger this one. This is my right link and I want to save this. Once you save it, hit on cross. Oh, wait. Once you hit that, just confirm it, which one is the page. That's right. Modified in this workspace. That's good. That's equal to googleads.in that /sample page. That's exactly the exactly thing which I wanted. Once you've done this, submit, publish, and continue. Once it is done, we will go ahead and trigger it. Let's come back. Let's come back to workspace. Let's go to preview. And once you hit the preview, let's start this one. Once you start it, and now look at this. It's not fired, but if you go to sample page, and now it says it's been fired. Let me just minimize this one and hit on continue. It says tags fired. Tags not fired, it's none. So make sure whatever the page you are making, it should be relevant. Home page is not a relevant thing through which I can make it conversion tag, right? So make sure your home page should not be a conversion tag. Else any page could be your conversion tag. Like if you have an online shopping page, then your cart page could be, or if you have a different page, something called about product descriptions, so your homepage could not be. But if that particular page, if that particular customer hit on any hyperlink, so that second page could be your conversion tag. So make sure whatever you are making, it should be relevant. That was our mistake, and that's really important because this was the last tag which we have converted. And after this, we have gone to Google Ads, so that's what we have done till yet. So let me take you through with that, whatever we have done till yet. Let me quickly open this and close this. Once it is closed, it says not connected, but that's okay. Let's hit on this and let's come back to here. We don't install it. Let's come back to Tag Manager and let's close this as well. Okay. So till here, what we have learned about first. Let me talk about first video. In the first video, what we have done, we have learned how to track our conversions through Google Analytics, right? Whatever we have done, we have created an account on Tag Manager, we have created an account on Google Analytics, then we have added the Google Analytics with Tag Manager, then we have added the Tag Manager and took the tag and visit to the website and put it there. Then we have added our Google Ads with Google Analytics. Then we have created a goal and then import that goal into a Google Ads. This is the whole story. This was our whole story to create a good analytics account so that whatever the conversion which will make, which you can see on Google Analytics, you can also see that on Google Ads. Lastly, we have imported that, right? That was our first step. Second step, through Google Ads itself, we went to Google Ads, we went to conversions, we added the conversions. There were two types. First was custom HTML. That was quite easy. We just took the custom HTML and put that tag, though we have also done that through Tag Manager, but that was a custom HTML tag. Then we have come here and we have added the conversion tag. Quite easy, right? This was the two steps through which we have learned about the conversions tracking through Google Ads and through Google Analytics. Now, let's talk about something different. That's going to be a remarketing. Like if you want to remarket your customer, like if the customer didn't like your particular thing, or if the customer didn't convert it into your lead, then how you can remarket that customer. Let's learn that as well. Again, in remarketing, there are two ways. We can do it through two ways. First, it's gonna be through Google Analytics. That's really simple. We just need to get into the Google Analytics and we just need to turn on the remarketing options. That's it. And second, it's gonna be through Google Ads, and that's also really simple. We just need to install the tag on. We need to take the code and fire it on all pages. That's it. And then our remarketing would be open. So let's start with Google Analytics first. So let's get into Google Analytics first. Google Analytics. Well, this was not us, but okay, we can go it from here as well because it's always logged in. So once this is open, so where we'll go? We go to admin, and inside the admin, we go to tracking info, and then we go to data collection. Inside the data collection, do you see this remarketing option? Just turn it on. That's it. And come down, save, look at it, it's success. Come back, it's done. That's it. Google Analytics is done. Second option. What was the second option? Second option was through Google Ads. So let's get into the Google Ads too. There it is, Google Ads. Sign in. So once you open the Google Ads, we go to tools and settings. We go to audience manager inside the shared library. Once again, we go to tools and settings. We go to audience manager. Inside the audience manager, you will see something like this. And at the very far left corner of your screen, there is audience sources. Get into audience sources. And inside the audience sources, you will see something like this. And there you will see something like set up a tag. Do you see this? Set up a tag. If you want, you can go through here, or else you can just, yeah, we will be going through Google Ads tags. Yeah, let's go and say set up a tag. Now it says create a data source. Now it's asking create the Google Ads tag data source. Use the settings below to determine what data tag collect. Now for remarketing, what is asking? Select the type of data this source would be collecting. If you want to run the normal basic remarketing, then you can go for the first option, which says only collect general website data. Second says collect data on specific actions. That's a dynamic one, which we'll not choose right now. We'll go for that once we create the e-commerce ad. So as of now, we'll only go for only collect general website. Hit on learn more. We go to this and we'll keep, now it's asking restricted data processing, exclude California users from remarketing list. It's totally up to you if you want to exclude the California users. I'm not getting into this. Now inside the user ID, we don't need to do anything because it's grayed out. We just say save and continue. Now it's asking install your tag on the website. We go to HTML tag. We'll take this tag, we'll copy this one and install it on our all the pages. So we'll go to tag manager. For that, we need to go to tag manager. We go to new tag. Let's rename it. What's the name of this tag? It's gonna be Google Ads Remarketing. Configuration. It should be custom HTML. Paste it right here. Once you paste it, hit on trigger, select all pages, say save, say submit, say publish, say continue, and sing like no one is listening. Once that's done, we come back to our workspace. We hit on preview. We'll check that, of course, that is it working or not. Once we hit on preview, we'll start it. And let's just minimize this one. And let's check. It says Google Analytics and Google Ads remarketing. It's fired for all the pages. Why these are not fired? Because these were on my different page. So let's get that as well. Let's go to sample page. Once that's done, you will see these are also fired. Look at this. This is all tags are fired now. Right? This is all we wanted. Good job. Now let me just close this, and we are back on Tag Manager. That's all. This is how we can create the data for our remarketing. Once that's done, you can complete it. Right? So this was our remarketing process. So till now, what we have learned two things in 4 ways. First, we have learned about how we can check how we can track the conversions by 2 ways. First was Google Analytics, second was Google Ads itself. Second, we have learned about remarketing, how we can remarket our customer, again through Google Analytics and through Google Ads itself. So once again, in remarketing, if you are directly going to, turn it on, before that, please ensure that your Google Ads and your Google Analytics should be linked with each other. Right? This is what we have done once when we were in, when we were doing conversions. But if you are not doing conversions and you are directly going for remarketing, please ensure you will link your Google Ads with your Google Analytics. That would, of course, that process will run only on that condition if your Google Ads and Analytics are combined and linked. Right? So please ensure that, and once you will do that, you come to admin, go to tracking info, go to data validations, and then turn on the remarketing options. That was your Google Analytics. Second was your Google Ads. Go to Google Ads, go to tools and settings, go to audience, and again audience sources, and then select your tag. Come here, create a new tag, fire it on all the pages. That's it. That was all your process, and that's what we have done till yet. I believe you were able to understand, and still, again, big flash warning. Again, you do not understand anything, you can directly reach to us through our Facebook group. All right. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourself.